My name is Kelly Cannon, and this is my plant pathology semester project. I did my project on a pathogen called Gymnosporangium juniperi virginianae, and I made a wooden book using wood burning tool. And this is the tool, and you just plug it in and it gets hot, and you can burn on, and what I used is just these little pieces of Luan cut, and I just made like a little wooden book. There are attachments that you can place on the tool and to change the kind of lines that you're drawing. So this is my book, and it is the life cycle of cedar apple rust. So as you can see, this pathogen has to have two hosts, the juniper and also the apple. The total life cycle for this pathogen is anywhere from 18 to 20 months. I picked this because I thought that it was actually beautiful. The mature gall, when it's mature, is bright orange and looks kind of jelly-like, and it's just really, really pretty. So that's why I chose it. So the mature gall has they're called teleal horns that expand in the spring, and these produce telospores that release basidiospores. Basidiospores are the spores that actually infect. So the basidiospores are released and taken by the wind and to the young apple leaves and fruit in the spring. When these are taken by the wind, they land on the leaves, the apple leaves, and the tissue of the young apple when it's wet. And they start to germinate. They penetrate the leaf, and you can see the upper and lower leaf surface of the apple. This also happens in spring. So on the leaf of the apple, on the upper and lower leaf, you have ascia, and they produce asciospores. You also have on the upper leaf you have spermagonia, and then on the lower leaf you have the ascia that produce the asciospores. The asciospores are carried also by the wind. This is usually I'm not very good at the video part of this, but this is done in late summer. So the asciospores are carried by the wind to the cedar, to the juniper, to the leaf. Asciospores germinate, and a young gall starts to form, and this is in summer. And then galls on the cedar twigs mature during summer and fall. They overwinter, and then in the spring they mature even more, forming teleal horns, and then the cycle continues again. And again, this takes anywhere from 18 to 20 months.